Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Flores, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to customize the McFarlane Toys Primaris Space Marine Hell Blasters. So tanggalin muna natin yung mga parts na pwede natin tanggalin. So just like the head, okay, let's remove the head, okay. And yung kanyang shoulder armors, naka ball joint lang naman to. So relatively mas madali siyang tanggalin. Okay, and then yung backpack. So that's it. Ready na tayo mag-spray using Bosny Flat Clear. So ito yung gagamitin nating spray paint, Bosny Flat Clear. And yung paint style na gagawin natin dito is the comic book paint style. So after ng Flat Clear, mag-add tayo ng shadows, highlights 1, highlights 2, and then line art, tapos top coat. So yun yung plano natin dito. Okay, next step, mag-apply tayo ng black acrylic paints from Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints. And intense violet at saka red naman. Pag mix natin tong tatlong to para makapag-create tayo ng shadows. Yung brush motion natin dito, flick na motion. So you will press the brush and then flick para kita yung brush strokes. So very intentional yung brush strokes na ginagawa ko para mas gestural yung finish or yung look. Next na step, we are going to mix white, red, and orange para naman sa highlights level 1. After applying yung highlights level 1, proceed na tayo with highlights level 2. Ito yung mas lighter color than the previous color. So nag-add lang ako ng white. And then yung next step, we are going to mix more white dun sa previous color natin. Actually parang white na nga lang gamit ko rito eh. Tapos yung brush na gamit ko ngayon is a flat brush. Okay, yan. Tapos next na step na gagawin natin yung line art na gamit yung water-based acrylic paints from Hero Paints. So mas fine na yung movement ng brushes natin. So dito sa face na to, pwede tayong gumawa ng mga inking techniques na ginagawa ko rin sa paper kapag nag-drawing ako ng comic book na style na illustration, like cross-hatching, feathering, and yung mga darker areas talagang feel ko para magkaroon ng comic book paint style effect. So there you have it mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, done na tayo sa ating project Warhammer 40k Ultramarine River. Nag-add na lang din ako ng mga booster paint effects dun sa kanya mga booster exhausts sa backpack niya. Tsaka yung plasma effect din, plasma glow effect din dun sa kanyang gun.